The wisest of all titans was destroyed by his own compassion. In the ancient age, when gods ruled from Mount Olympus, Prometheus stood apart from his fellow titans. He possessed the gift of foresight. He could see what others could not. When Zeus planned to wipe out humanity, Prometheus alone championed the mortals. He defied the king of gods. He climbed to the heavens and stole divine fire itself. This sacred flame he gifted to mankind, bringing them civilization, arts, and all technology. And for a time, humanity flourished under his protection. But Zeus burned with rage at this rebellion. The god king devised a punishment as eternal as it was cruel. He chained Prometheus to a mountain peak. Each day, a giant eagle would descend and tear out his liver. Each night, it would grow back. The agony would repeat forever. Worse still, Zeus sent Pandora to Earth with her cursed box, unleashing every evil upon the mortals Prometheus had tried to save. The wisest of all titans was Prometheus the Firebringer.